going on, guys? So, as you can see, there's old 99. We are heading to the track tonight, but not with this old girl. As you'll see here in a bit, we're gonna go steal a bike and bring it back here, and we got to do a little work on it. But yeah, I mean, old girl's still kicking. She has plenty of life in her. Haven't changed too much. We changed up the nitrous, the way it's laid out in there, size and everything. Now that I'm just getting back into this, my main goal is to really focus on dropping some weight and being able to ride this thing more. Yeah, it's gonna be a really good one. This year is gonna be really fun, I think. But all right, let's go steal a bike. Okay, we're here. Let's go through the back gate. Oh, no puppies. That's all right. Ta-da! Haha, yep, Mikey's bike. We gotta put a shock on it. He bought a new Penske. So, yeah, let's get some light in here. There's this Camaro. Pretty nice. They got the grounds and the ruckus. Oh, the Penske. He's so pretty. How's he got this thing? Okay. So, we won't need this because we do have my charger. So, but yeah, so we're gonna take it to the house, get it on the lift, and we'll get the shock changed out. So, all right, see you there. And just like that, we are on the lift. Like I said, he only plans on making motor hits tonight. I think I said that. Either way. Other than that, we're going to be going to I-29 tonight after we swap this out real quick. Back end is looking low, but yeah, we're just gonna make motor hits. Gets the tune pretty cleared up. This has Fieldtech FT550 on it, but my neighbors are mowing. All right, let's get to it. Alright, so what we got here is obviously our shock for the bike. On the left, you have the stock shock. As you notice, there is a little bit of a difference, but that's okay because we run adjustable linkage so we can get the height right on the bike. This shock is going to allow him to launch a lot harder than what you normally would be able to on this guy. This one was pretty much maxed out. It'd bottom the shock out, it would bunny hop, do a bunch of weird stuff. This one is a Penske. Never really messed with Penske too much, but I've heard good things about them, so hopefully we have a good result. 99 uses, that's the ZX14, it uses a an M2 shock, so this will be cool. I can't wait for tonight. But all right, let's get to installing this. All right, shocks in. We'll do some fine tuning down at the track. Went over some nuts and bolts, found that the subframe was loose, so I tightened that all up. Now I'm gonna put the shell back on, and we will see you at the track.
Yeah, a little weight reduction.
Alright, had to come in here, kind of explain what happened the first round. There's a bracket coming off of the subframe, and it snapped at the weld. So he dropped down in the seating, messed the whole run up, but we're not here to try to light up the boards. It's so loud here. But the biggest thing is getting him comfortable on the bike and making sure it shifts and everything. And so far that was probably one of his best passes. But I did get it just fixed, so we're gonna head back up there and give it another try.
Does Neil stop and visit you sometimes at night? No. I know he leaves my place at 2 o'clock, and sometimes he goes and visits someone. You know, just because Neil's been that way. Yeah.
Hey, they got the right idea though. Hand over the head, the rib cage, get the way to go. Again, when I think the kid is coming out, I enjoy doing this. It's kind of
hopefully I can get some free concert tickets this year. That'd be great.
All right.
Is this where all the top secret stuff is?
Hey, for about 30 minutes. Sure as shit, boys, I'm out of here about to say. What? This bitch calling me right now. Look, show me the phone. Where's Bruce?
He's getting ready.
Lucky charm.
He rubbed it.
What's up, babe?
Where's the Avenger?
It's at home. We're actually taking it up to Onawa.
Or chassis. I saw your dad's name on the sheet.
Yeah. Then when it gets home. What are we doing, Mike?
Sitting at the racetrack
For how long?
another 2 hours, actually an hour now, because the computer decided it wanted to fry.
On the track.
On the track.
Not the bike.
The bike's ready to go.
That's Connor. Yep. So we're chilling out in the shade. Kids are eating. Say hi, Connor.
Hi.
Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay, not that high.
We said hi.
There's
Hi,
Lane.
Brats.
Not Brats. There's Babs. Babby.
Oh, I don't like cameras.
But no, we're gonna make some more motor hits, but everybody thought we were done last night with just 3 passes. They were wrong. We're gonna be making right jokes on them. We're gonna make some more hits today. So I'm gonna take a nap and then we'll be back. was a long day.
I'm fucking
Of
tired.
Nothing.
It was a waste of. It wasn't a waste.
It wasn't a waste.
Wasn't a waste because we got 2 hits, but man, it was brutal. 2 passes in 10 hours.
Yeah, 2 passes. Took them damn near 8 hours to get us to run. We've been here since about 8 o'clock this morning. They had to order get parts from Omaha, and then we made our first hit, and then immediately after we made a hit, there was an oil down. But the bike did exactly what it was supposed to do. The tune is cleaned up. Robert's got the tune pretty much going good. So Mike held it full throttle. Yay.
I sent it all weekend long.
For the weekend. It still has a major delay in the clutch, but the clutch is also set up for the nitrous. So next time you see Mike's bike, it will be on spray. That's for a fact.
For
right?
sure, we dialed it in.
Anything you would like to say before we leave?
I'm tired and I'm hungry and I'm ready for a nap.
Let's go get some
Let's go
McDonald's.
get some food.
We're fat.
We're fat.
We need nitrous to go fast. All right. Later, YouTube. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
We about to turn it on.